Module 3 is primarily about understanding and managing change. It's a very great way of looking at how we handle change personally. Often we go into the workplace and just do what we think is the right thing to do, but I think this gives people a chance to reflect and really look at themselves about how they actually personally handle change and then take that learning into the workplace. Part of that is also working with a number of ways of giving feedback to each other, because part of that reaction is how do we interact with other people around change. The other part of Module 3 is looking at the communication and the different roles that we have as a leader. So coaching and mentoring, directing, managing, but primarily learning a bit more about coaching and practicing that with their people. I've been coming to Croatia for a few years now actually, and I really like the people. Primarily that's the first thing I go to. The people always seem to me to be friendly, they want to learn, they're happy to explore, experiment in the learning environment. And we always have a lot of fun, which is always part of Croatia for me too. And part of the leadership, I find that working in different cultures, working in the UK, then working in Croatia, working in other parts of the world, I'm really very interested in how cultures differentiate. I think that the biggest part of it is self-awareness. That question about who am I as a leader, which I think runs all the way through all the modules, is fundamentally what helps people to really unpick a bit more about who they are and what they bring in terms of their strengths to leadership. And I think they also take away the areas that they want to develop further and stretch into, because we really live in a very fast changing world and none of us can stand still for very long. So I think that people actually learn to kind of explore a bit more about who they are, get some feedback, and then think about what do I need to actually go out there and even do a better job than I do now.